AI influencers are blowing up. Take Aitana Lopez. She was created with AI and she's making over $10,000 a month. And you can do this too. But here is a problem. When people try to create their own AI influencer, it ends up looking like this. Creating a consistent looking AI influencer is the biggest challenge. Now look at Aitana again. She looks identical in every photo. So what is her secret? The creators of Aitana are using a very specific strategy, and until now it's been pretty well hidden. But after testing every AI image tool out there and generating over 500 test images, I cracked it. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own $10,000 a month AI influencer with perfect consistency in under 1 hour. And yes, it's completely beginner friendly. But if you skip any step in this video, your influencer might end up looking like this instead of this. Let's get into it. All right, so AI platform we're using in this video is called Monetize AI. And if you want to build your own AI influencer the way I'm doing in this video, you can sign up for this platform by using the first link in this video description. All right, so before generating anything, you need a clear visual idea of your influencer. And to do that, we need some inspiration. And the best places to look for that is TikTok, Instagram, or a platform called cosmos.so. It's great for finding trending model looks. I'm gonna use a platform called cosmos.so to find the model look. All right, so I found a good example on how I want my AI influencer to look like. So once you do that, simply take a screenshot or save this photo on your computer. Now simply open ChatGPT and write out this prompt. I'm creating a realistic AI influencer. I've attached a photo of a model I want the influencer to resemble. Please describe this model in as much detail as possible, including estimated age, hair color and style, facial features, and any other noticeable traits. The goal is to use the description to generate a highly consistent and lifelike AI character. Drop your screenshot in that prompt and ChatGPT will give you a detailed description you can use as a base. And now let's head over to Monetize AI website and simply log in. Again, the link to the software is going to be in the video description down below. And once you're here, simply click on New Project, click Add Actors right here, and click Create Actor right here. Now click Generate from Prompt and Reference Images. Then simply paste in the description you got from ChatGPT and wait a couple of minutes. And here you go. You just generated your own AI influencer. Now here's why Monetize AI stands out. With other tools that I tested, character consistency is a nightmare. You generate a nice looking face, but when you want your AI influencer to be in a boat in Miami, suddenly the eyes are different, the face shifts, everything just falls apart. That's a big problem because without consistency, you can't build a brand. And if you can't build a brand, you can't make money from it. But with Monetize AI, this issue is solved. So let me just show you. So let's type in, she is on a boat in Miami. And look, she looks exactly the same person from before. That's consistency. And still images like this are great. You can post carousels on Instagram and TikTok. But if you want to grow your audience faster and make your AI influencer feel real, you want to create video content. And Monetize AI makes this very simple. Just go back and click here, transform a picture into a talking actor. Simply upload the image right here in the starting frame and write what your actor should do in the video. And just like that, you got your AI influencer in video, and you can make unlimited videos with any prompts that you want. And if you want your influencer to speak, that's not a problem. All you need is to create an account on 11 Labs. So once you have your 11 Labs account connected, simply click here again on Add Actors, click on Create Actor again, then click on Transform a picture into a talking actor. This time, precisely write what you want your actor to do. If you want your actor to be more excited, highlight that. If you want your actor to be calm and relaxed, mention that in your prompt as well. So I'm just going to drop my prompt here and upload one of the images generated from my AI influencer. Next, make sure to first create your actor's voice. As you can see right here, you can choose your actor's gender, which in my case is female. You can select your actor's age, and mine is going to be young. Next is the language, which I'm selecting to English. Then you can even choose an accent, which is pretty cool. I'm going with Australian accent, and right here you instantly get some examples. As you can see, there's a wide variety of voices to choose from. But but in my case, I'm going to pick Nicole and click pick voice. Now I'll wait a couple of minutes for my new video to be generated. Alright, so in about 5 minutes, the video is ready. Now I simply click launch lip sync to train the actor for adding voiceovers. Once the training is finished, head back to the script writing area right here, then simply click add actors, go to my actors, select the actor you created and choose it. You can also modify the actor's voice by clicking here, adjust speed, stability, similarity, and more. Just drop the text you want your influencer to say and submit it. And just like that, your AI influencer can deliver any message you choose.
There are so many amazing places to visit in Dubai, but this desert has to be the #1 spot you can't miss.
And another cool feature from Arcats is gestures. You can find it here in this dropdown. Select your actor again and describe the gesture you want them to perform in the video. Once done, just click submit again, and just like that, you've brought your AI influencer to life with voice and movement. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is quickly go back to the window where we generated my AI influencer and create multiple different scenes for it, so I can use them later in the video. Let's say I want my AI influencer to be placed in the gym. I would drop this prompt and click generate. Wait a couple minutes and I have my AI influencer ready. Next, if I want my influencer to look like a professional real estate agent, I would use this prompt. Again, wait a couple of minutes and I have my pictures done. And finally, I'd like my influencer to appear in a hiking setting. Again, simply by dropping this prompt. Now I'm going to transform all of these influencers into talking actors and launch the lip sync. And while that's getting done, let's talk about how to grow your influencer on social media. So right now, the best platforms for AI influencers are Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms are built for short form visual storytelling, and your AI influencer is perfect for that. So if you want to reach $10,000 per month as fast as possible, here's what I would recommend. Pick a winning niche. Focus on one of these 3 proven niches: health, wealth, relationships. And with Arcats AI, you can create your influencer in any of these niches in just a couple of minutes. And that is the reason I just created 3 different scenes for my influencer. Let's say you want to grow your influencer in the fitness niche. Simply click on this dropdown right here and select talking actors again. Then I'm going to drop in the text that I want my influencer to say in the video. Once again, I'll select the actor by clicking here and going to my actors, finalize it by adjusting my audio settings and submit it. And here's the final result.
Happy Monday, everyone! Just a quick reminder that when it comes to progress, consistency always beats intensity.
Now let's say we want our influencer to be in a real estate niche. And that is the reason I prepared a real estate scene a couple of minutes ago. I'm going to simply select new project and talking actors feature once again. I'll pick my actor in a real estate scene and drop this prompt. Finalize the audio settings and click submit. And just like that, you have a viral worthy piece of content you can post or even use as an advertisement.
Can you believe this stunning modern home is only $250K? Drop the word house in the comments if you want all the details.
Now, the B-roll feature takes this to a whole new level. Combining carousel images, talking videos with different scenes, and B-roll style footage will help you to grow your AI influencer social media presence really fast. Click here, select add start frame, and drop your influencer image. So here's the prompt I'm going to use. And you can create prompts like this by using ChatGPT, by simply describing what type of B-roll you're looking for. Choose the right ratio and set the length of the B-roll. And there you go, have an amazing looking B-roll to use for your content. And you can easily change your influencer scene by adjusting the prompt. For example, if I want my influencer hiking, I would write this. And this is the final result I got. So as you can see, creating various types of content with Arcats AI for your influencer is super easy and fast. You'll never run out of content ideas when growing your AI influencer social media profiles. Just take a look at these quick cuts between different outfits, lighting setups, and different scenes to give you a sense of the variety Arcats can generate. Plus, with easy to use quality settings like resolution, video length, and voice controls, you can customize your content exactly how you want. Let's be honest, the entire reason we're doing this is to build something profitable. So how do you actually make money with your AI influencer? Well, there are 3 battle-tested methods I personally use, and I recommend combining them for maximum results. So let's break them down. Brand deals and sponsorships. Once your influencer builds a decent following, brands will start to notice, especially if you're posting consistent, high quality content in your niche. For example, if your influencer is in fitness, brands in supplements, workout gear, and wellness apps will want to collaborate with you. And most of the time, these brands are going to pay you to post a short video or a story mentioning their product, use their product in your content, or even license your influencer image for ads. For example, you can post a reel featuring a brand's product, share an ad code with them, and they can run that reel as an ad, which is a very highly profitable way for brands to advertise. And the best part is, since your influencer is completely AI generated, you can scale this without ever being on camera or needing a big team. Pro tip: add your AI influencer's email address to the bio on Instagram and TikTok so brands can easily reach out. Affiliate marketing. And this method is perfect for beginners. Low effort, high reward. You recommend products your audience would already love, and you get paid every time someone buys from your link. And here's how to do it the right way. Choose 1 to 2 affiliate products that align with your niche. Create short, helpful content around the problem the product solves. Promote your affiliate link in your bio or on your stories. Or even a better way, build an email list and only promote your affiliate links through that email list. Whether it's a fitness app or a skincare product, your influencer becomes the face of the solution. Sell your own digital products. And this is where the real money is. Once your influencer gains trust, you can create and sell your own digital products and keep 100% of the profit. Here are some good ideas for digital products: fitness programs, meal plans, skincare guides, niche-specific ebooks or templates, access to your private community. The key is to package value and make it easy to consume. Your AI influencer promotes the product, drives traffic to your landing page, and you profit. Again, if you're gonna do this method, I also recommend to build an email list. Promoting on your email list is always gonna lead to better conversions. And this is the most scalable and long-term way to turn your AI influencer into profitable business. So if you want to get started in creating your own AI influencer, here's a quick recap of the steps you need to take. Find your influencer inspiration the way I showed you and create it using Archive's AI. Again, the link is in the description. Step 2, create and start posting content daily on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts to grow a following. Step 3, monetize it with brand deals, affiliate marketing, or by creating your own digital products. That's it. You have everything you need to start building your own $10,000 per month AI influencer. Now go and make it happen. Thank you so much for watching.